Hello everyone and welcome to Afro's Vlogs, a full-time mother and a part-time YouTuber. So as this is my first video, I asked my daughter to do unboxing with her cute tiny hands. So this product is from Flipkart, Hemrex LED Ring Light 10-inch without tripod. Its price fluctuates online between a range of 300 to 400 broadly, and it often gets discount online. It's a medium-sized powerful ring light with a holder for phone or camera. It rotates to 360 degree to any angle, or one can turn horizontally as well as vertically. It also includes a wall charger. It gives three color light: white light, warm white light and warm yellow light. And after doing a lot of struggle, finally the product is about to come out. And here is the product. This is how it looks, and it is coated with a plastic bag. And here is a mobile or a camera holder, a connector, and it is also connected with a wire, that is a charger, as well as a remote to adjust the light as per a convenience. And it's a product which is good for photos, videos and makeup, and also for reading books. So do like, subscribe. Thank you.